What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel and another food review. I haven't done one of these in a while, but today I'm trying the Burger King Fiery Crispy Chicken Sandwich. If this video gets 20 likes, I'll try the rest of the menu. Right. So this is supposed to be the spiciest item on the menu. Let's see here. Okay. It's a very messy sandwich. It does have some heat to it, but it's not that overpowering, really. I don't really taste that much heat. It's still there, though. Hey, but let's put off camera, guys. I just wish it would have been a little bit more of a kick, so I give it a 7 out of 10.